Good afternoon,
Good
Leticia.
afternoon, ma'am. I'm Leticia Bourbon, 45 years old, single mom, mother of 3 children, ages 19, 17, and 15. I'm recently OFW from Kuwait. My expertise is cooking, cleaning, and all household chores I can manage.
How many members in the family have you served in Kuwait?
4 to 5, sometimes many as possible, because they have always accepting
Visitors.
family and visitors.
How many maids in the employer's house?
2, we are 2, and 1 driver and 1 gardener.
Do you have a day off?
Every 3 months I have 1 day off, just to go church and
Every
not
3
day off,
months.
but 5 hour off,
Okay, half day.
half day.
And are you willing to take your family with more than 6 members in Hong Kong?
I will try my best.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong, Leticia?
It's my strong desire to work for the bright future of my children as a single mom and a separated wife for 9 years. So I am very much eager to work and to have a well-compensated job like in country of Hong Kong.
So, you love to cook.
Yes.
What about cooking Chinese food? Do you have any experience?
I can.
If your employer can provide you a cookbook, do you think you can follow by
It's much
yourself?
better for me. It's easier for me.
If your employer is always angry with you, even you have done nothing wrong to her, what will you do?
You have just pass by and don't ignore the bad moods, no argument, just focus and take a chance on a good mood and a good day.
If she asks you to clean other house, are you going to obey or not?
We can do nothing, just to obey.
If a 5-year-old kid asks you to play with you but you're too busy to attend to, what will you do?
I have to manage my schedule, my time table, and the most important is to take time to the children especially.
Do you have any allergies in food?
I don't have any
detergent?
allergy, thank God, and I love kids.
Okay, any message for a future employer, Leticia?
Yes, ma'am, if you've given me a chance, and I'm very happy and willing to work it, even under pressure.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Good